So yeah, so if you want to delete project, first you have to empty the resources, or you can move them in a new project. Then you can go to the setting tabs, as you can see, and you can delete the project. This is from DigitalOcean docs. So let me show you how to delete the project. First go to DigitalOcean homepage, and yeah, as you can see here, if I go to settings, here you can't delete a project. You see here, and this is my default project. So to delete a project, you must move or delete all the resources within it. Default project cannot be deleted. So this is my default project, so it cannot be deleted. So I have to create a new empty project. For that, let's say freeitools.com. okay, enter the description, free internet tools. Let's say website purpose, create project. Just skip now, and this is our empty project. Now I can make this newly created project as a default project, and you can see. And if I go to first project, here in the setting tabs you can see this is no longer a default project. So to delete it, you must move or delete. So what I can do, go to resources, click on the three dot, you can see here, destroy, or simply you can click here or extend, or you can go from here. It's actually the same thing. So just go to here and destroy, and click on destroy this droplet, and let me enter the name of this droplet. Yeah, click destroy, and droplet has been destroyed. You can see now it's empty. And let me go to the site again, and you will see it's not loading. It is because I deleted the sites. So if you have a snapshot, then even if you delete these resources from here or destroy it completely, you will be able to see the sites. So for that you have to go to click on manage. You can see connection failed. It's no longer on our web server. So to delete snapshot, actually snapshot is your backup. You can go to dashboard, DigitalOcean dashboard, and you can take a snapshot. You can click here, okay, or you can go to images directly. You can see. So you can navigate from dashboard, or you can go to directly images. So if you have one of the snapshots, just click on three dot and delete it. So yeah, I don't have any snapshots. So basically snapshot DigitalOcean on demand disk images for droplets and volumes saved to your account. As you can see, the same content. You can see, use them to create new droplet. You can actually restore your droplet from snapshot if you have here. So to delete permanently, you have to delete a snapshot if you have. So yeah, this is how you can delete droplet or DigitalOcean project or snapshot. If you want to know how to delete, sorry, actually I forget to delete the project. And you can see first project, just go to settings. So previously I show you how to delete the resources. Actually let me delete the project. Okay, so as you can see here, this is active, so click. So before delete project, you have to delete all the resources, which I did earlier. As you can see, we have no resources. Okay, so just go to settings and click on delete project, confirm delete, and yeah, it's deleted. Let me refresh again. Yeah, it's deleted. So yeah, and this is it.